Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I am here, hello, in the city actually. If you can't really tell, but I'm in the city. Just dropped Corpo off at work because, like I said, our flatmate has gone to Wellington for the weekend and I have to drop Corpo off and pick him up. Yes, I know he could catch the bus, but right now I would normally be nearly finishing up at the gym, so I'm just gonna quickly head home and get ready for work. I am aware this is my second week in a row missing arms, so I'm probably gonna go to the gym maybe on Sunday or Saturday while Corpo's streaming just to catch up, because I do feel a little bit guilty and I didn't want to miss today, if that makes sense, so I do want to make it up, whereas last week I was tired. This week I'm actually doing okay, so I'll probably go one of the days this weekend. While we're in the car, seeing as I'm in the car for like, you know, a while driving home, I thought that I would talk to you guys about something really cool that I got emailed to me, and it is from my lovely friend Bonnie at Index Studio. And Bonnie, you might know Bonnie, she used to have a YouTube channel, her name was By Bonnie Who. Can't remember what it was originally, Bonnie Beauty maybe? Anyway, and she used to do like beauty videos and stuff like that, and now she owns her own, like, I don't want to say nail salon, 'cause it's not just a nail salon, but her own like salon, I guess. And she does like beautiful high quality gel nails, and she does brow waxing, which I did used to get done all the time, and I kind of wish I had have added that to my current appointment. Maybe I might contact her and see if I can like tag that onto my appointment that I've got coming up. And she just recently started doing, I don't know what she calls it, but I'll put it down here, the eyelash lift and tint treatment, which is really freaking cool and I'm really excited about. So she sent me an email inviting me to come in to try out the treatment, so of course I said yes, and if I like it I might go again. So yeah, I booked that in. I'm going on the 21st, so after I finish school, well, I will be finished school by then is my point. So I'm gonna go like take my leisurely time, go on a date with myself, have a really lovely pampered day. I might go get my toes done if my toe isn't effed up anymore, and I'm just gonna have like a really luxurious day, and I'm flipping excited. So I'm totally going to vlog as much of the process as I can. It's not Bonnie that's doing my eyelashes, so I'll ask the technician that's doing them to vlog it for me, and I'm very, very excited, you guys. And the most exciting part is that she has given me a code for you guys. So if you want to go and see Bonnie to get your lashes done, I will put the code here. I believe it's just Xlivloves. There's like a little comment section when you make a booking where I guess you could talk about allergies or anything else that was important, and you just can put my code in there and you'll save $25 off of your treatment, which is really freaking cool. I feel like I look so rugged today, you guys, and I bet you can't hear me over the dishwasher, but I'm about to have this for dinner because I am health. No, but for real, I'm just exhausted, and dinner was not happening tonight. I was like, I'm not making dinner. Corpo had leftover curry, and I was like, if I'm gonna eat, I'm doing something basic. I'm having ramen with some salami. So I love having it in a cup, and I'm watching one of Shan's vlogs. Ramen in a cup is life. I don't know if you guys know this about me, and I've definitely talked about it before, but this kind of is relevant to, I guess it's kind of relevant to what I was talking about yesterday about the gym, about how I can't squat. And it's because I have really bad calf strength, extension, etc, etc. And I was talking to Sally, like Sally, and we were talking about it, and she's like, I'm the same, and as a child I used to walk around on my tippy toes all the time, and I was like, that was me. So I'm pretty sure like I have not deformed and not dwarfed, but like underdeveloped Achilles tendons. Wow, that's really, really nice voice break. Achilles tendons slash like calves. And I was just like running around the house, and I realized I still do everything on my tippy toes. Like I was running around the house on my tippy toes, I go up steps on my tippy toes, I run on my tippy toes, which is why I can't run, because it hurts. Like I would love to know if any of you guys do this, and if you did or do, how do you overcome it, and if you didn't, Like, I just would like to know. It's really weird, but yeah. Anyway, right now I'm watching some YouTube over here. Then this is my friend Joel, and he's doing like a cooking stream. So I'll actually leave Joel linked off down below. He's a really good friend, guys. These pajamas are so cute. I just sent them to Corbu because I want them for Christmas. They're already selling out really fast. I think I'd be a small, maybe. They're real cheap. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's way cheaper than Peter Alexander. So it's actually Saturday right now, and I fell asleep very, very early last night. I fell asleep for the first time at like 8:30 for a little bit, and then I woke up for like an hour, and then I was pretty much out like a light for the rest of the night. I did wake up at like 2:30, and Corby wasn't in bed. He was still playing games, which is like fine because it's Friday. And then like I couldn't get back to sleep for a while. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here even though it's not Friday anymore. And in the vlog, if I sound weird, it's because I have a headache today, but you'll hear all about that in the next vlog. But tomorrow's video is not going to be a vlog. It's going to be my Black Friday haul, because I've been promising you guys that it's coming, so it's a coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've all had an amazing week and you're enjoying your weekend, and I will see you guys tomorrow with the haul and in 2 days with another Vlogmas video. Bye.